Welcome to our latest Instagram marketing video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of Instagram on behalf of your business. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know that this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you need to know to dominate Instagram marketing in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos, ready to show you the latest Instagram marketing strategies. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Video number 1. What is Instagram marketing all about? Video number 2. Optimizing your Instagram profile for doing business. Video number 3. Researching the best hashtags and topics for your Instagram campaigns. Video number 4. Creating a basic Instagram marketing post or product teaser. Video number 5. Promoting an Instagram post from the app. Video number 6. Using Instagram stories to raise product awareness. Video number 7. Repurposing your Instagram content for other platforms. Video number 8. Using Instagram Live for a product reveal. Video number 9. Promoting a Facebook post on your Instagram account. Video number 10. Running a Facebook video ad on your Instagram profile. Video number 11. Running a product catalog ad on Instagram. Video number 12. Instagram marketing tips for brands and businesses. Video number 13. Creating the type of Instagram content that customers love. Video number 14. Tips for capturing and editing the perfect Instagram photo. Video number 15. Using and understanding Instagram insights to track your performance. Video number 16. Proven Instagram marketing strategies to try. Video number 17. Instagram marketing do's and don'ts. Video number 18. Instagram marketing premium tools and services to consider. Video number 19. Instagram marketing success stories. Video number 20. Instagram marketing frequently asked questions. I know you'll love this training.